So summer is basically over, but before school officially begins, there are some things that I have to do. So this vlog is going to be me preparing to go back to school in a week. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shake. If you are new here, I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty content. So if you're interested, you should go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. Before we continue in this vlog, go ahead and like this video, comment something down below. So without further ado, let us enjoy this vlog. Alright guys, so it is currently 12:40. Yeah, if you don't believe me, yeah, let's change the wallpaper here. So the first thing about my getting ready for back to school is that I have to do lesson plans. So as a teacher, so for those who are new to my channel, I am a teacher, so that is why I kind of get summer holiday. Yeah, so I have my lesson plans to do. I started my lesson plans on Saturday. I only got to finish like one set because electricity was gone for like half the day. So I only had like the afternoon part. Like I started about like after 2 thereabouts. So I'm teaching 4 different classes this year. So I'm teaching grade 7, grade 8, grade 9 and grade 11, and this year I have to do all 4 plans. So started one and I'm going to do the rest now. So that's what I'm about to do. So I just grabbed myself some lunch, some orange juice and all these cheese balls. I'm going to sip and eat while I do my plans, because I can't waste no time. This is how I feel and I can't stop. Opposites attract, I need you non-stop. Cause I know it ain't easy, we can still make it work. I look well. Anyways, I just finished the lesson plan. So it's like 8:21 right now. So it took some time. How many did I start? After 12, thereabouts. After 1. It took some time, but we're finally here for lesson plans done. I didn't get to do the other thing I said I was gonna do. So pretty much all I did today was to wash and to do the lesson plans. But big achievements. I will put 3 lessons I do. 3 2 weeks. So I will do that. So right now I'm going to put away this laptop because my eyes are hurting. So I have to draw for my glasses so they don't me. So yes, tomorrow when I get back from meeting, I'm going to look my clothes and then iron between tomorrow and Wednesday, and then see where everything else takes us. Anyway, so tomorrow I have a staff meeting, and guess what? We had a devotion. So right now I'm gonna have to plan a devotion for tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna get that done soon. Charge on it first because I'm not dead. Hey guys, so it is the next day. It's actually Tuesday. Don't mind me. I gotta work and come back and then just pull off everything, head hurting and all. But yes, we're continuing this vlog. So today I was supposed to look my clothes yesterday and iron, as I said. I think I said it, but didn't get to do that. So right now I'm going to be doing going through looking clothes for the month. So yeah, so that's what we're doing. So also watching movie Sister Daddy with Laugh. And yeah, so this is my bag.
Volunteer Uber peel off the lip off of the bird. I hold the lip.
Hey people, so this is my work bag. I had packed away. Listen, I had packed away like pants and something in them top something here to keep my drawer organized. My suitcase organized. And then under here, I've got the blouse and the dresses. So yeah. I'm finished with ironing. I've ironed what 4 weeks and like half of 1 week clothes, so I've pretty much ironed for the entire September and like 3 days out of October. So yeah. Good morning, guys. How are y'all doing? So it is Thursday. Actually, we're hold on. I don't know. Well, not I don't know. We're not left out yet. But yeah. So we're going shopping today. So back to school shopping today. So we're getting ready to go. I'm all dressed. I need to change my socks. My sister, because I'm a little mad. So I gotta change my socks. I'm around way. And then we're gonna head out afterwards. So yeah, so this is the next part of us preparing to go back to school. We have to do some shopping for some things that we need and all of that. So yeah, and then hopefully when I come back, I don't know if it's gonna be in the next video or the same video, I'll do a haul for y'all. Alright guys, so these are the stuff I bought today. Just an overview because I just don't in a mood for do a haul. So this is the haul of the things I got. Yeah, I also bought hair and what else? One belt. So yes, that's that. Alright guys, I'm in the bathroom now. My soap finished. So I'm putting in the new soap. I'm back to my Dove, people. So I got the Dove pampering one because I love the smell of this one. So if it's not this, is the original. So let's put that in. That's a lean. Anyway, and also changing out this little soap. Yeah. This is pretty much like a reset, so anyways. Yeah. So I bought the Tresemme Silky and Smooth. I don't know if it's the best for the hair, but I'm trying it. And I do also have a new lotion, which I'll show you when I get out of the bath. I'm not going to be showing you guys anything else. I still not finished this. And I was trying to get the dandruff freezer. Somebody had a request that somebody had suggested, but I can't find it. So I'm still on the lookout for it though. So yeah. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday, so I know I didn't show you guys that hair and all. When I get back home, I like show you guys the hair, but I am heading out to do my nails. I'm not gonna be filming that, so I'm not gonna film that because my nails don't like to be videoed, so I'm not gonna film that. But I'll show you guys the end product. So I'll show you guys what I got and all of that. So rain grown there, look like rain gonna fall, but hopefully it won't. Hopefully. So yeah, so when I get back, then I'll show you guys the finished product of the hair and the nails. guys, so I wanted to show you guys the hair. I'm actually gonna head to church. Yeah, so actually going to head to church, but I'm going to show you the hair. So I tried to do knotless. It's not really knotless because I did the roots by plaiting and then go down like twist. So anyways, this is it. Also the triangle thingy. So yeah, and then I curled the ends, so the ends are curled. Yeah, so let me show now. So yes, it was like butt length, but because it curled, it looks shorter. So, but some my curl never turn out, and some come out. But anyways, yes, that's that. So the last part of this vlog is going to be the spiritual aspect. So we're going to church, going to get our back to school prayer and all of that. So yeah.
As you go into this new school year, put God first, and the other things will fall in place. I ask you, whether you're a student or worker, I ask you to do your best. Your best, do it. And don't let others determine your best. You determine your best. Give up your best. Do your best. Don't measure yourself on anybody else. For everybody's best is different. So, if at the end of the school year, whatever the result, if it is or if it was your best, then we'll say, with you to God, be the glory.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yes, so it's Sunday evening, Sunday afternoon. We head back to work tomorrow. I won't say I'm excited because it's work, but I'm looking forward for a good year, hoping, praying that it will be a good year. I'm going with a positive mindset that, you know, I will do good things. I will make changes and all of that. So, you know, for me. So yes, so thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, by the way, so I did do a short, as I think I said it. Sorry, I did a short about like the back to school haul. I'm going to be doing a pack with me for school. Also going to be doing like a get ready with me for the first day of school. So stay tuned for those little shorts. They don't take long to watch, guys. They're just 1 minute. So help me get to the 10 million views that I need to get monetized. Yeah, so thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.